Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Islamic Studies class for the students of class Nursery. Our today's topic is memorizing part. Dear students, I inform you that we are now starting annual term class from 1/6/2020. Dear students, come to our topic. Firstly, memorizing part. Class Nursery, subject Islam, topic memorizing part. Annual term, class number 1. Okay, memorizing part. Dear students, we are fixed 15 marks for memorizing part, and there are 3 parts of memorizing part. Firstly, Surah Ikhlas, and secondly, Hadith with meaning, and thirdly, Kalima Shahadat. Okay, dear students, now we will start memorizing part number 1, Surah Ikhlas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid walam yulad, walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Okay, dear students, say with me again. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid walam yulad, walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Okay, dear students, now we will start memorizing part number 2, Hadith Sharif. Qala an-nabiyyu sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, as-salamu qabla al-kalam. Okay, it's English pronunciation. Qala an-nabiyyu sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, as-salamu qabla al-kalam. Meaning, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, give salam before you speak. Okay, dear students, now I am again recite Hadith Sharif. Qala an-nabiyyu sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, as-salamu qabla al-kalam. Meaning, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, give salam before we speak. Okay, now we will start memorizing part number 3, Kalima Shahadat. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Its English pronunciation, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay, dear students, now I again recite Kalima Shahadat. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahu, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly, and you have to more practice at your home, because today's topic is very, very important. It's have 15 marks fixed for your exam. Part 1, Surah for 5 marks, Hadith Sharif for 5 marks, and Kalima Shahadat for 5 marks. You get totally 15 marks. If you give the correct answer in your exam. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly, and keep practicing more at home, and avoid by your parents, and stay well, and see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.